Emergency, emergency. Pulsechain V3 is finally out. Finally! What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘕𝘯𝘺𝘰, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So I don't have time to do my fancy camera. I don't have time to do anything. I'm just going to talk about V3 has been officially announced by Richard Heart. This is not a game. This is for real. It's out here now. In fact, let me show you the tweet that he just tweeted, actually. TESTNET V3 is here. Please use it and prepare for mainnet launch! Exclamation point. Warning, this is the final testnet and the mainnet may launch at any time now. It could launch any time now. Now, he's not going to launch it tonight, probably. He might launch it in the next 48 hours from now, I should say. Or it could last, a month from now, 2 months from now. We're not really sure. He's probably going to test it a little bit, but this is absolutely crazy. So the good thing about this is that I'm going to show you how to get into the testnet and use it. Okay, so the testnet right here. So right now he showed that it has exploded to 1.4K requests a second. That's extremely fast. There's some other tweets right here. Okay, yeah, right here. So here's how you connect. To connect to Pulsechain Net, open MetaMask, click Networks drop down, select Custom Network, and enter the following information. Now try that. It doesn't really work. What you have to do is you go here, you go to, you go over here to Ethereum Network, you click Add Network. When you click Add Network, this shows up. So the network name is TESTNET V3. The new RPC URL is this URL. I'm going to put it in the description below. And in fact, I'm going to put the tweets below too. Mind you, you're going to have to add HTTP at the beginning of this URL. The chain ID is 942. The currency symbol is test Pulsechain. And the block explorer URL is scan v3 testnetpulsechain.com with HTTP at the beginning. So then you click save and it is officially there. So this is the testnet. I've added a bunch of posts in the past before. This is not how much posts I have, so don't try to rob me. I added some fake posts in the past. But yeah, so this is what shows up when you're connected to the testnet. This is really awesome. This is really good. This is really great. I cannot believe this is actually happening. Now, keep in mind, slow down. This is just the final version of the Pulsechain testnet, the PulseX testnet, things like that. So you'll be able to play around with it, do different stuff like that. Then he says they'll turn on the bridge to another Ethereum testnet next, maybe tomorrow, so that fake stable coin can be bridged in and that will allow the dollar values to show in the PulseX testnet info site. Okay, so this is amazing. Let's go more to his page and see if he has any additional tweets. Here's the testnet address for PulseX smart contract. Let me try to add that contract to my address. Come here, I'm going to import tokens. This is how you import the tokens, PulseX. Add custom token. Also have a bunch of PulseX tokens. They're all fake. They're not real. Don't try to rob me. It's not real. But this is how PulseX looks. This is how it looks in your actual wallet. Yes. Okay. So these are all the PulseX tokens that you see right here. Okay. Decimal place is 18. The easy way to add a testnet V3 to MetaMask is to go right here. Go to this website, scroll down to the bottom, and click this button. Right. Yeah, but as you can see, you don't need to do that because I already connected it to it at the beginning of this video. This is really awesome. This is really amazing. If you're on your phone, you probably need to be in the browser, in the wallet. Beware of all scam bots and fake support.coms when you type wallet, okay? Now, how is everyone doing? This is what he actually tweeted earlier before. This is crazy. This is great. So I'm going to play around with it a lot. I'm going to show how the coins are exploding. In fact, let me go right here to Hex. Let's look at Hex right now. Hex today is probably 22% today. And in the past 1 hour, it has gone up 1.8%. Okay, so this has been exploding dramatically. This is when he announced it right here. It was at 10 cents and then it exploded to 12 cents. That's an increase of 20% in 1 hour. This is great. So I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money. Watch this video up here.